New at 4, Huntsville City Schools is hoping to keep our kids safe with a new tool in its disinfecting arsenal. The district called it safe, easy to use, and effective. WAAY 31's Sarah Singleterry is live in Huntsville after spending the day learning what other changes the school system is using to stop the spread of this flu. Sarah?
Dan, there are 37 schools in the Huntsville City School system, and every single one of them is undergoing the same cleaning regimen this flu season, using a new tool they've never had before.
It's called a Victory hand sprayer.
And according to Huntsville City Schools, it's making all the difference. The school board purchased the sprayers just before Christmas, bringing in the big guns for a bad flu season.
It spreads and it kills a lot of the germs that we do have.
All while keeping your child safe.
We can do it during the day, we can do it at night. The product that we use has a 0 health rating, so therefore it's not an irritant. It doesn't have any issues with inhalation.
Stopping the spread however it can. The district is using it at every school every day, and sometimes that means sending students home.
Even if they don't have a fever but they're exhibiting other flu symptoms, then we're notifying parents and letting them know.
Teachers trained to see the signs of a sick kid even before they make it to the school nurse.
Sometimes with the little ones, they don't know how to express that they don't feel well, so we can kind of tell if the head is down or just the look in their eyes.
And with the flu bug creeping into classrooms across the Tennessee Valley, Calhoun says her kids are beginning to catch on to what's going on.
It seems like they're quicker now to know, cough in your elbow, make sure you go wash your hands, that kind of thing.
And this Huntsville City Schools parent tells WAAY 31 that the measures taken at school plus at-home remedies have him feeling mostly at ease this flu season.
I'm not per se fully worried about it. I mean, I'm worried a little bit, but we do have what we need at home to take care of her if she does get the flu.
I was actually in Miss Calhoun's classroom today when a little boy coughed or touched his face with his hands, and she immediately asked him to get up and go wash his hands. And that really seems to be the theme here with Huntsville City Schools. They're doing everything they can to keep these schools clean, but at the end of the day, they say clean hands really do make all the difference. Live in Huntsville, Sarah Singletary, WAAY 31 News.